Hey, what's up everyone? It's James. Today I'm making fajitas. This is a chicken and beef fajita. As you can see, I have some vegetables. I have paprika, green peppers, onions, and garlic mixed in olive oil, and I've added salt and pepper to it. So I'm cooking these vegetables first, and then I've already seasoned the meats. I added salt and pepper, cumin, basil, and oregano, and garlic powder right over here, cayenne pepper, and I added 2 tablespoons of this lemon juice to this mixture. So it's going to be fabulous. And I'll show you the tortilla shells. I bought a pack of 10 tortilla shells for about 700 yen, and I also have some salsa sauce. I have some salsa sauce, and it's medium. It says dip, that doesn't matter. I'm just going to use this in my fajitas. Okay, as you can see, I removed the vegetables, and now I'm going to cook the meats, and then I'm going to marry everything together in that skillet. Chicken and beef. Smells so good. I'm going to let the meats caramelize, and then I'm going to mix everything together. You're going to have to make sure that it's cooked thoroughly. You don't want to get sick. I'm going to add a bit of cornstarch into this mixture to thicken the sauce. As you can see, it's beginning to thicken. Now it's time to add the vegetables. In they go. Now to heat up the tortilla shells, I'm going to spray in some olive oil. So I want to cook both sides a bit. You see that? It's browning. I can just turn that over. I like mine a little brown. You can cook it the way you like it, but I like it a little brown. Okay, my tortilla shell is beginning to puff up. That tells me it's time to turn it over. You see how it's browning? I'm going to show you how to wrap it up. So I'm going to take some of this meat. I like vegetables, so I'm going to add some more. Not too bad I forgot to buy sour cream, but I'm going to just wrap it up without sour cream, and I'm going to add salsa. Okay, I opened the jar of salsa. Just do that. So I'm going to do the bottom part first, so that everything doesn't fall out. And then I'm going to wrap the sides. And then I'm going to eat it. I put a little bit too much in it, but it's supposed to look like this. That at the bottom so that the filling doesn't fall out. It's really hard to do this with one hand. It's time to eat it. Man, we have a winner. This is fantastic. Well, that's it for now. We'll see you next time. Bye.